It is now. Sorry. At least you can see what we've got from this point on, okay? All right, let's go back to our form and let's add another form. Let's say we add to the array on form 1, but we print the array on form 2, which this is going to do a couple things. It's going to allow us to share an array list, right? And put back and forth. So if I come up here to my project, right click, add a new item, right? And in this case, I want to come down here to Windows form and I want to add a new form, right? So now I have form 1 and form 2. On form 2, I'm going to drag the list out there. Always makes me do that. Here's that same list box, right? Just on form 2. And if I go to form 1, instead of the print button, when I hit print, I want to move it to form 2. So most of this code that's right here on this button click, I need to copy and paste this to where?
Form 2.
Form 2 on what? Load?
Form loader.
Yeah, on load. Now, we're going to run into a problem. We're going to get an error on the array list, correct? So if I go back to form 1 where I dimmed it, remember dim is the same thing as saying it's private, it's public to everything in this class, but not outside the class, correct? So if I want to make it available to everything in this project, I can make it friend and now it'll share, right? So all I have to do over here now, instead of saying AL, I say form1.al, and then everything works identical. And one more spot right here. Need to do it in front of it, don't I? Okay, so that should work because even on form 2, it's still called list box 1 over there, right? The only thing I have left to do is put a button right here that says,
Load form 2.
well, I don't even have to do that. It's going to do it automatically, right?
Is it going to do close?
Yeah, I'm just going to say like return or close. I can't type today. I can't type most days. And on this one, all I'm going to do is say what? Bless you.
Thank you.
Dispose, right? If I put dispose on there, what's going to happen? It's going to
close out.
Go back to that one, right?
Program.
And right here, I can get rid of all of this, and I have to say what?
Form 2 show.
Form 2 dot load dot true.
No, form 2 dot show. And when form 2 runs, it automatically runs the load code as it displays the form. So let's try it. Okay. New share, that one. Okay, so here we go. Here's Bob, Steve, George. I print now, it's going to go where?
Form 2.
So it opened them and it printed them from form 1. If I go back.
Didn't show us form 2.
Do what?
It didn't show us form 2.
Okay, I go there. Hang on. There. See it?
Yep.
George, you drinking beer or root beer?
Coke.
So you see how it did that, right? So I closed that one, and now I got to go back and share form 1 again, right? So now if I come back and I add Dylan, correct? And I hit print again. Hang on. Yeah, it's kind of long to share all these different screens. But see how it added? But even though I added Dylan, it sorted it, correct? Yes?
Yeah.
All right. Try to find my mouse here. I'm just gonna go back to this original one. All right.
Faster.
Close that one out. So what do you think?
I think it's pretty cool working with arrays.
Not too bad, right? We just kind of went over the logistics of how it works, how it bounces back and forth, and things like that. So what I'll do is here in a bit, I'll copy all that and upload it and throw that out into D2L. And probably Wednesday night, I'll throw more content out. Tuesday night, I'll throw more content out. And then you'll have an example and a video that I do to watch on Wednesday. All right. Sound good?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay. I'm not going to keep us the whole time because it's blowing everybody's bandwidth, but I just wanted to at least touch base with everybody at least once a week live. Okay. Also try to make sure you schedule enrollment, and it doesn't have to be done this week, but we need to do it in the next week or two. Okay. I'll keep my schedule on there. And I figure if we do 1 or 2, 3 a day, something like that, we'll be good. It shouldn't take us more than 10, 15 minutes to get enrolled. All right.
All right.
Do we have a current assignment?
Yes. I forgot to make it. Didn't I forget to make it public?
Yeah.
No,
For a
no.
little bit.
You had that test, right?
I believe it's public now.
Yeah, it's public now. That's the one I want you to create and upload the zip file on it. Okay.
The test program too.
Yeah, write the complete program and make it work. Okay.
I haven't been able to write it. I don't have my
I know
computer yet.
you don't have your computer yet, but you will, right?
Okay. I'll try
That's
my
why
best to get
I
it
also
done.
didn't I also open up the late folder in here?
I think. I don't know. I didn't
If
check.
not, I will get it open today. So like George, you found that one, right?
Mhm.
It's not open in D2L. I'll get it open in this week so you can upload that stuff. And I know, Dylan, if you're probably going to be late because you don't have your computer yet to work on this. But when you get it and get it done, just upload it to the late folder.
Okay.
All right. Well, let's try to get some enrollment scheduled, and we'll try to do that this week and next week. All right.
Okay.
All right. See you guys.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
See you later.
See ya.
Okay. Bye.